Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Cricket Minijan. This is Arkaprav Bhattacharya. I know I'm back after a while and apologies because I was a little bit busy on doing some personal stuffs. COVID is hitting us hard. I don't know when it will get over, but still, let's talk about cricket. The channel is about cricket. So today was a very disappointing day for Indian cricket lovers, Indian cricket fans, because we missed a golden opportunity because we had the team with the players. Yes, the Rohit Sharma was not there, Ravindra Jadeja was not there, but still, we all believe that this Indian team, has the potential to beat any side. But I'm making this video today because there is a special reason. See, I don't want to comment, or we don't want to comment on the performance of our team in the white ball format, basically in ICC tournaments. We all know that we are not playing the way we are expected to play. But in Test cricket, it is like we are the best team. There is no iota of doubt that we are the best Test side at this moment because in home conditions, India is unbeatable. It is not pragmatic to think that you can beat India in India, and if you are a team if you are a non-subcontinent team, then it is impossible. So it is believed to be impossible at this moment. So that's the thing. So this South African team is not a very versatile team because it is in its transition. Even Marco Jansen played just a match for Mumbai Indians, and the international cricket was not ready to see this version of Marco Jansen when he is making KL Rahul his bunny. Even he's taking Virat Kohli's wickets also, and he's like doing this aggressive stuff. Here comes Dean Elgar, persistent with his technique and showing resistance great against Indian bowlers. But do you think that the problem is in the skill? No, I think that we have a better set of players, but we don't have a better set of middle order, or rather, we are not playing the best cricket. Because if you have seen the approach of Pujara, the approach of Rahane, they are like very much satisfied after scoring a 50. Because after scoring a 50, like there will be a very big news coming up that Pujara and Rahane are not performing, and Pujara and Rahane will score a 50. After that, they will get out. Every time post 2019, it is happening, and they are very big players. They are like veterans in Test cricket. They only play the red ball format, and I should not criticize them completely because it is very much difficult when you only play a format, especially for Ajinkya Rahane because he was a multi-format player. Now he's like you will play the Test format only, but equally you should blame him also because post 2014 he doesn't have a great record in overseas, and in Indian conditions he was always an average player because during his time when he was in form also he was never scoring that amount of runs in subcontinent conditions. So playing spin is always an issue, and playing spin is an issue with this Indian team. When Virat Kohli is not a great player of spin bowling, when the ball becomes red. I've seen it when in the test matches in England recently, because when Virat was in his peak, he could play anything. But Virat is now a little bit struggling, and we are saying that he is also facing difficulties while playing spin. India is winning because the other team plays spin worse. Like if New Zealand is playing in the same track, they will be the worst team to play the spin bowling. Even Australia, because I'm saying that if there is a non-subcontinent team, they don't know how to bat. But yes, Indian players can bat. Even Pujara was a player who used to attack the spinners. I've seen him attacking Nathan Lyon. Nathan Lyon is a bowler who uses his angles in great effect so that he gets a bounce from the pitch, and he has this tough grip, he gets spin. So I have seen him attacking Nathan Lyon. I have seen him playing great spinners with the quality he had, but he has lost it. I don't know where he lost it, but he has lost it. Even I haven't seen Ajinkya Rahane playing spin well, never in my life. So there is an issue, and we are very much following this worshipping culture. In Bollywood and cricket, these are the most important things for us. Like we follow them blindly, but there is a difference between a film and a cricket team. Yeah, many thousands lakhs of people wants to go into the Indian team, want to perform. You can't be there, you're not performing. After scoring a 50, big statements will come. Form is temporary, class is permanent. Absolutely 100%. So ask Kapil Dev to bowl. No, ask the great Sunil Gavaskar to play. Ask for that matter Vivi Richards to play. Ask Gary Soberts to play. ask such Rahul Dravid to play. These are the statements which is very wrong, because at this moment when we are questioning Virat Kohli also, so Pujara and Rahane should be questioned, and I am seeing a transitional phase now, because after that you'll see you'll give opportunities to Vihari, you'll give opportunities to Shreyas Iyer, Shubman Gill, Prithvi Shah, any player, but they will fail. But there is a process into it. You have to give, you have, like, if Rahan and Pujara are performing well, if they are going to play for county, they are performing well, and here if in this transitional phase it is not working, then the shuffle should work. You should be flexible enough, because at the end of the day it's the Indian team which should matter the most. For that matter, Virat Kohli should also start introspecting. Yes, the 79 he scored was, I'll say it was like the 71st century. It was like his 71st century. But still, he's not performing to the standards he has set. Ajinkya Rahane's average post 2020 is 19.98. Can you imagine a player playing for India at number 5 in Test cricket is averaging 19.98? And yes, I should give. We should give. What is it? VVS Lakshman was also a one format player, but way he adapted himself, it is like something which we you don't have words to explain also. Nowadays I feel that the quality of test cricket is very low at this moment. Rahul Dravid during his captaincy was like won a test match in South Africa with that team, and now if you are comparing this with Rahul Dravid's thing, because Rahul Dravid is now a coach, I'm seeing this type of things in some channels, which is very much rubbish and foolish. So let's see what happens now. And the Sri Lanka series will come, but there are a lot of things which the Indian team should worry and should introspect, because you are the number one team, and we expect you to be the number one team. We don't want to see uh, you losing matches with the team. And last but not the least, I had to mention about this new player, Keegan Peterson. He's just a brilliant player. The way he's playing, because he plays his shots, it's completely positive game. It's so elegant to watch. I feel that even Muhammad Ashraful had this kind of ability, but the control he has, Muhammad Ashraful used to show this ability in ODI cricket more rather than Test cricket. But the control, the way he was playing, the way he was approaching the game that age, speaks volumes of his abilities and what he will do in future. So let's hope for the best, and best of luck, champ. And I feel that India will fight back. India will fight back soon, and India will have some answers to the questions which they have raised. Thank you.